How to download and install Fortnite in your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Chrome application from your device, and at the top search bar, you have to type in Download Fortnite Android. Once done, you will see Fortnite official website that says Play on Android. Tap onto the first link. Then here you have to tap on Install on Android. Once you tap onto it, it will show you the process of how to download Fortnite in your Android device. If you have disabled auto blocker, then you have to tap onto your settings and follow these steps. And once you download this application, and once you have downloaded Epic Games on your device, tap open your Epic game. And from here, you will see Fortnite as well. Tap on install, and that way you can easily install Fortnite in your Android device. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon.